Right, today I'm going to be making cauliflower soup. It's very, very straightforward and simple. It's a sort of classic in France because it's called DuBarry, because it was named after the king's mistress. She had a white wig. I think that's really what it's about. Produces a white soup. Now I've taken a small cauliflower, just one small cauliflower, and we're going to cook it in with potato. So basically I've got here roughly chopped, nothing complicated, and I'm not spending hours chopping it up. I don't want the leaves, I want it to be white at the end of the day. So I'm going to put those in the pan. I'm going to put in all of them with some pepper and this is about 2 medium, but in actual fact it was 3 small potatoes. Okay, I throw that in. Now you have a choice. You can use, I'm using a nice homemade stock, but you could be using a stock cube and water, or all milk and a stock cube, or as I'm doing, half and half. Now, depending on whether you use the milk determines whether you later on add cream or not. It's very simple. I think I prefer the milk to the cream. It comes out slightly sweeter. But if you haven't got a homemade stock, and some people say a stock cube actually tastes better. But so you've got some sort of flavouring, you've got the creaminess of the milk, and you've got the vegetable, and the potato makes it thicker. And that is the only ingredients. It's so simple. Now I'm going to cook that for about 20-25 minutes. I shall then use my magic wand and I will serve it. And it's that simple. It's a big classic in France. It was my husband's favourite soup, and it doesn't cost you time or effort, and it's nutritious. Okay, see you later. Right, well, we're back. This has been cooking, and as you can see, it's all very soft. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to use my magic wand and puree it, okay? Now, come and have a look. You can see it's made a thick, creamy soup, and that tastes very, very creamy. You can dilute it with more water, or you could have made it entirely with a stock cube and water, in which case at this point you add your cream. But you now have a soup, and that really wasn't difficult, and it didn't cost very much, and it tastes like heaven. It really does taste good, and children eat it, adults eat it, and it's really superb. Okay. Oh, and it freezes.